So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can bring your model from Blender to the Substance Painter. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So here you can see guys, here I open my Substance Painter and here you can see this is the same table which is I have imported from the Blender. And here you can see these are some individual layers, and I will also talk about how you can create these individual layers, and I will also talk about how you can bake your model before doing the texture, because if you guys are little familiar with the Substance Painter, so you know that if you have to do any kind of texturing, so before you have to do bake your model, then you can do texturing. So in this part we'll only just talk about how we can bring the texture from the Blender to Substance Painter, how we can bake our textures. Okay, and in the part 2 we'll talk about how we can do the texture something like this and maybe more than this. So now let's start the tutorial. So here you can see guys, this is my Blender and here I have created this table model. Okay, so before importing any kind of model from Blender to the Substance Painter, you need to unwrap your model. So here you can see guys, I have already unwrapped my model something like that. If I will go to my UV editing section, so here you can see these my unwrap of my tables. Okay, I have already divided my table into the 3 parts. Here you can see. Okay, now we have to just give the name each and every parts, then we can just import our model from Blender to the Substance Painter. So for giving the name to our model, so you have to just go to your material section from here, and here you have to just choose one part of your model. Right now I'm going to select this lower part of this table, and I'm just going to create the new material, something like that, and here I will just change the name as a lower part, something like that. Yeah, and same thing I will do with the other parts as well. So this top part I will select, I will create a new material, and I will just set the name as a top part, something like that. Okay, then I will just select this iron part. Here you can see I have just give this iron material of this part. So for that I will just give the iron part, and finally I will just give those bolt name as a bolt. Okay, you can just give the bolt, something like that. So now we are ready to import our file from the Blender to the Substance Painter. So right now here you can see, you can just recheck your all names before importing your file. Yeah, so now I'm just going to export my this model from the Blender. So I will just go to the file and I will just export it. I will export as a FBX. You can export as a OBJ as well. Okay, export and FBX, and here I will just save this name as a table01, because I have already one table file. I'm just going to export it. Okay, so after that you have to just go to your Substance Painter, and here you have to just enable and open a new file. So when you open a new file, you will get something like that. So first of all it will ask to that file. So I'm just going to select my that file from the here. This is the table01 file. I'm just going to open it, and after that here you need to do some settings. So first of all it will ask your document resolution. So right now I'm just going to take this resolution 2K, and if you want to decrease and increase your resolution, your document resolution, so you can do it later as well. Okay, and normal map format I'm just going to keep it DirectX and don't need to change any setting, just do it okay. And right now it will ask to the save the file, so I'm just going to do discard, and here you can see guys, our model is imported. Okay, very nicely, and everything is looking good. And here you can see from the texture set list we have all layers, which is we have given the name in the Blender. Okay, so right now if you give any kind of texture to on your objects, so it's not going to be show, because before adding the any kind of texture you need to do bake your texture. So how you can bake your texture, so I'm just going to show you. So for that you have to just go to your texture set list from here. Okay, and I'm just going to spread this little bit more so you can see easily. Okay, so from here you have to just click on the bake mesh map, and when you click on the, you will get the new dialog box, new window open, and here it will ask you which map you want to bake basically. So right now we don't need ID. Okay, and we don't need position, and everything is looking fine to me. and from here you can set your texture resolution. So right now I'm going to take the 2K because 2K is fine to me and everything is fine. Then you have to just click on the bake all texture set. When you click on the, it will going to bake your texture. It will take a little bit time. It depends your system configuration. So here you can see guys, our baking is done, and here we get the all map which is we have select on this texture set list. We got normal map, water space map, ambient occlusion, curvature, everything we got it by the way. Okay, so right now we are ready to do the texture in our model now. Okay, so if I will give you some basic idea how you can add the texture. So I'm just going to do my smart material section, and from here I'm just going to add one wood texture on it. So here you can see, so this is very, yeah, so here you can see it's apply very nicely. And if you want to see your UVs, so you can see from the here, so these are UVs and these are of 3D model. Okay, so it's looking very good, and that's how you can import your model from the Blender to the Substance Painter. And in the part 2 we'll talk about how we can do the how we can start the texturing in Substance Painter. If you guys are beginner, if you don't know more about the Substance Painter, so how you can texture your basic and first model with the help of the Substance Painter. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial guys, and thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comments. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.